nègre. Hey, hey, hey.
Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Merci parce que vous avez regardé la vidéo ça. Jeudi, moi avec nos amis Jamaican Carl.
Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome to Silvernet channel 509. Six nègre. Hey, 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 hey.
So we start now.
Hey,
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, be serious now, shall we?
Yes.
Okay. So, ça moi pour le faire, moi j'ai 10 parfums que moi choisi tant que parfum ou calme encore. So, I have 10 perfumes that I chose from my collection that I think they are very nice for a date night. So, what we are going to do, you're gonna rate those perfumes from 1 to 10. So, have you smelled them before?
No, I actually tell you the truth, I never actually smelled any one of those.
Okay, li ba jam pren sant li, so c'est première fois li ba pren sant. I mean, li ba jam pren sant sa yo. So, we are going to start with this one. This is Carolina Herrera.
Wow,
the name
like
of it
bottle.
is Good Girl.
That's
Thank
very pretty.
you. It is.
That is very,
it's
really
like a
pretty.
hair or something. Okay, so you're gonna rate this one from 1 to 10. Honest opinion, right?
Okay.
The artist la banou opinion li.
Wow. I will give this is pretty good.
Li reme sa, li senti bon.
I will give this one 8.5.
Li di la bay sa 8,5 sous 10.
8.5 is good.
Okay. Li bali 8 sous 10 Carolina Herrera Good Girl. Carl, this one is from Rihana. The name of it is Reb'l Fleur.
Wow. Kind of like this one a lot.
Li reme sa an pil?
Yeah, I'll give this one a 9.
La, oh, okay. Li bay sa 9 sous 10.
Really
Reb'l
good.
Fleur from Rihana. Is it because it's from Rihana?
No, I wouldn't say it's because of Rihanna. I just think that it just smells fabulous. I think it has good texture.
Mm-hmm.
It just flows perfectly well. I think, you know, a woman wears it, you know, she walks by the man, you could smell it clear as day. It smells really, really well. And I think it will work on any girl's chemistry.
Okay, li di kon sa parfum sa li senti bon, li remen, la bali 9 sous 10. Actually, this one you can club in with it. Like if you're going to a club also,
yes,
you can wear it and it does last long. And this is a $20 bottle.
Oh wow,
Yes,
$20.
yes,
Woo!
that's a $20 bottle.
Man,
Li bay sa
I would
9.
have thought that would have been like $100.
No, it's not. It's 20, and it depends where you buy it.
Wow.
You can get this one for $15, depend, like I said, where you buy it.
It's pretty good.
It is good. I like it. So, Carl, we have Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. This is Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. I know you love Yves Saint Laurent.
Yes,
Don't judge it because it is from Yves Saint Laurent.
I like Yves Saint Laurent. I got a couple of Yves Saint Laurent, and I'm telling you, it is really good.
Okay, so don't judge it because of the name, okay?
Yes.
Be real and honest.
I will.
Moi, je peux aller chercher parce que je connais Yves Saint Laurent. A Black Opium, Yves Saint Laurent.
8.5. I'll give this an 8.5.
Okay,
It's
libali
cool,
8.
it's calm, you know, yeah.
But it's sweet, right?
Sweet. Yeah, she's absolutely right. Sweet.
It's
Not
okay.
too sweet, but it's good.
Okay, libali 8,5 sous 10. Okay, Carl, we have this one from Lancôme. This is La Vie est Belle from Lancôme. La Vie est Belle from Lancôme.
I'll give this about 8.5. 8.5.
Okay, libali 8.5. I am speechless.
8.5.
Why you didn't give this one 10?
I don't think it was, it didn't really move me where
Liba tellement rive sou li.
it didn't move me where I'm like, if a woman was to wear it and I'm like, oh my God, it doesn't give me that, oh, whoa.
That's my favorite.
Oh, it is? I'm sorry. It
That's
didn't,
my favorite. Ça c'est parfait favori, me call bal 8.
didn't give me that feeling. No.
Okay. Libali 8, qualité de babaga la 10, libali 8,5 parce qu'elle va tellement dire wow comme si elle prend sant li. Okay, Carl, we have Christian Dior, Poison Girl. Don't judge it because it's from Christian Dior, okay? Poison Girl from Christian Dior.
Give it an 8.
Leave al 8.
It's okay.
Okay. But it's not your favorite.
It's not my favorite.
Okay. Leave al 8, mais pas comme si, like you said, it's not a wow, that's not good.
It doesn't give you that wow factor. You know, I think a good perfume on a woman is supposed to give you that wow factor.
Okay. Li di kon sa li bal 8, mais pas comme si on parfum pral prendre li va dire wow, parfum ça senti bon bagay comme ça. So, we have this one from Jean-Paul Gaultier. The name of it is Candle. Jean-Paul Gaultier Scandal.
And I actually like Jean-Paul Gaultier. I've been a really big fan of him since I was younger and as a kid. Their colognes is amazing. So. This is good. This is really good. I give this a 9. This is good.
Actually, this lasts forever.
Really Jesus, this is really good.
It lasts forever.
Oh
But there's something that's something we use when as a food.
Yes.
That this one smells exactly like the thing. I don't want to tell you the name. Can you tell me?
It kind of smells like what the bees normally eat. Could it be honey?
Honey, yes.
Wagwan, wagwan,
Yes, ça ligue sant sirop miel. Tant que j'aime dire nous, 95% of honey. I love it.
Yeah,
I like
really
it,
good.
and it lasts long, very long.
That's really good. 9, definitely.
Okay, I have this bottle called from Britney Spears.
I love
Right.
Britney.
Okay. So this one called Fantasy Night. This is Fantasy Night from Britney Spears.
Sorry, Britney.
Désolé, Britney.
I like you, Britney, but I don't think this is it. I'm gonna give it a 5.
Oh my God.
Britney.
I hate you. That's my favorite perfume.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
It's your favorite? I'm gonna give it a 4. No, I'm just kidding. No, but it's not it. That's not it.
Britney Spears 6 to 4 or 5.
I'll give it a 5. A strong 5.
Libali 6. Britney Spears. And next. Okay, this is from Mugler. This called Alien Oud Majestueux. Mugler Oud Majestueux.
This is pretty good. I'll give this one a 9.
Libali 9.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it is good actually.
That's
It
really
is. It is good.
Hey.
Okay, we have only, I think we have 2 left, right?
Yeah.
This one is from Marc Jacob. This one called Marc Jacob Decadence.
I like the
bottle. It
the
is
bottle
nice.
is
It's
nice.
like a purse.
Yeah, it's like a purse. Cute.
Les dit bouteille la belle parce qu'elle semble en valise. Let's see.
Very sexy bottle, but I'm sorry. I think this is about a 7.
Li bal 7 sur 10. Bouteille non belle c'est vrai, but li va tomber sur li bal 7 sur 10. Okay, we have the last one, Carl. This is Aquolina. The name of it is Pink Sugar.
Okay.
This little simple bottle. Let's see.
Spray it again.
It is good.
Yeah, spray it one more time.
Spray it again?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I thought you said it's good. Pink sugar. Yes.
This is
It is good. Can I tell you
This
something?
is really good.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
This is a $20 bottle. Yes. Yes. And you can get this one, depending where you buy it, for $15. This is pink sugar.
This is
yes.
really good.
You're
Guys,
right.
this is really good.
It is good.
Wow.
And this one can last forever and ever and ever.
That little bottle?
Dark
That little $15 bottle?
Yes, yes.
How?
Very sweet. It's not too
not too
powdery.
overpowering.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It is good.
Wow.
Pink sugar.
Yeah, it's really good.
So
I'll give that a 9.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Li bali
9.5, definitely.
9,5 sur 10. So if you have to choose two from those 10 perfumes, Pink Sugar, numéro 1. Okay. Jean-Paul Gautier. Okay. So, quand choisi dans 10 parfums ça ou, scandale Jean-Paul Gautier qui gagne miel, qui vend bouteille ça. This one can cost probably like $80, $200, depend. But if you get it from Macy's, you know
this
for sure.
It's really good.
It is good, and it lasts very long. So this one, he gave this one, I mean, li bay sa
9.5.
9,5 sur 10. Alright, thank you for watching that video. Si vous aimez la vidéo, pas oublier like it.
Hey, hey, hey.